Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pots and Plants. Today we are going to talk about Pendanus Baptistii, Variegata. It is also known as screw pine. Pendanus is a perennial ornamental tropical evergreen plant with a crown of thin sword-like arcing linear spine-free variegated golden color leaves with green margins emerging spirally from stubby branches, giving this plant a distinctive appearance. The leaves can grow up to 18 to 30 inches long and an inch wide. Pendanus is an excellent indoor plant to have at your home. Also known as screw pine, it is a great choice to add golden hues to your garden. It is an ornamental, medicinal herbal plant. Pendanus is a low maintenance and easy to grow plant. Pendanus baptistii is native to Madagascar and Mauritius. Give this plant an organically rich, free draining, open sandy soil. This plant likes mildly acidic soil. Use following soil mix for this plant: garden soil 3 parts, compost 3 parts, cocopeat 2 parts, and sand or perlite 2 parts. You can use vermicompost for this plant. Pendanus requires moderate watering. Water thoroughly so that the soil is completely saturated and excess water runs out from the bottom of the pot. Allow the top inch or two to dry out between watering. Water twice a week during summer and less watering in winter when these are dormant. This plant doesn't like overwatering or waterlogging. This plant grows in part shade to full sun when humidity is moderate to high. For optimal growth, it needs exposure to more than 6 hours of continuous direct morning sun per day, with the exception of summertime. It will not do well in the hotter, drier summers. During the main growing season, June to July, fertilize this plant with a slow release NPK. Avoid fertilizer that is high in nitrogen, which promotes green leafy growth. Okay viewers, if you like the video then share it and subscribe to my channel. Take care.